Today, I'm going to teach you how to export data from your Trello board, whether you need to back up your project information, share progress with stakeholders, or analyze your workflow data in another application. Knowing how to export your Trello boards is an essential skill that will save you time and keep your data accessible. Let's start with the most straightforward method for exporting a single board. First, navigate to the Trello board you want to export. Once you're viewing your board, look for the menu icon, which typically appears as 3 dots or lines. This menu is your gateway to various board management options, so click on it to reveal the available choices. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select Print, Export, and Share. This option houses all the tools you need for getting your board data out of Trello and into a format you can use elsewhere. Once you click on this, you'll be presented with different export format options. Here's where you'll choose your preferred export format. You can select either JSON or CSV depending on your needs. JSON format is ideal if you're planning to import the data into another project management tool or need to preserve the complete structure of your board. CSV format, on the other hand, works perfectly for spreadsheet applications like Excel or Google Sheets, making it easy to analyze your data or create reports. Now, if you're using Trello Premium and want to export all boards within a workspace, there's an even more comprehensive approach. Start by expanding the sidebar and selecting Workspace Settings. This takes you to the administrative area for your entire workspace. Within these settings, click on Export to access the bulk export functionality. You'll then have the option to select an existing export to download, or you can create a new export if you need fresh data. When creating a new export, pay attention to the Include Raw Attachments option. Selecting this will ensure that all card attachments are included in their original formats, which is particularly useful if your boards contain important documents or images. There's also a handy trick for getting CSV data that includes archived cards. Navigate to your board and look at the URL in your browser's address bar. Simply add .csv to the end of the board link and press Enter. This method automatically downloads a CSV file containing both open and archived cards, giving you a complete picture of your board's history. These export options provide flexibility depending on whether you need data from a single board or your entire workspace. The various formats ensure compatibility with different applications and use cases. Thanks for watching.